This is Dinesh. Uh, Hi Sindhu. Hi Rashmi. Hi V Srinivas. Hi Monica. Hi Dimpi.
Hi.
Okay. Can yeah. Can can someone mute some voices coming? Dimpi, I don't know. Yeah. Good. So very warm welcome from the Clean Minds and thanks for uh, joining this course, right? So, so how we'll start? What I want to know, if you can, I'll call the name. If you can give a brief introduction of your little bit, 2 minutes. What is your qualifications? What is name, right? And what is the expectation from this program from your side? What are you expecting, and why you aspire to join this course? So we can start from Sindhu. Uh, yeah,
Hello, am I
yeah,
audible?
yeah.
Yeah, hello, this is Sindhu. I'm working in R&D. I have done my
Uh-huh.
MTech biotechnology,
Mm-hmm.
and then I have been working for almost 8 years, and I found this
Mm-hmm.
course to be interesting, and then I just wanted to change my field, so I found
Right,
this course little interesting, and so that's the reason why I have opted for this course.
right. So yeah, so you
I
have a,
don't
right. Go ahead.
I don't have much knowledge on pharma, but I have just done a course on clinical research. So I thought
Mm-hmm.
that from long time I wanted to shift my career. So I
Right,
thought that this would be a better option. So that I came
right.
to the.
Yeah, because pharmaceutical or healthcare consulting have people like R&D people we have because we need domain people and the skills required we will teach you. Yeah, so we can go to the next Rashmi. Hi Rashmi, if you can give your introduction. I think you are mute, Rashmi. Okay, we'll take that up. Srinivas, if you can give a introduction of yours. Yeah.
Sure. Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Srinivas. I'm an MBA graduate with marketing in HR as my domain as a specialization and BTech in electrical. I have 5+ years of experience in consulting companies like Deloitte, where I used to do data analytics, marketing research in
Mm-hmm.
life sciences and healthcare.
Mm-hmm.
And I also worked in some IT companies in project management. So I have a skill set of research, data analytics, and project management. Current role
Right.
is into the program management team, where I'm working in biologics division of Aurobindo Pharma, where I'm
Mm-hmm.
working closely with the project management team and business development. I'm closely working on a biological drug development life cycle at a higher
Mm-hmm.
level, and I'm also doing a marketing research to identify the
Mm-hmm.
prospects, companies, and do analysis on data analytics on different biosimilars and how the market is going on, indication wise, therapeutic wise. So
Right. Very good.
I So I opted this course because this will give an edge in the healthcare. Since I wanted to develop a career in this field and I wanted to
Mm-hmm.
learn about the patents, regulatory, and then a knowledge on the pharma domain, which gives me an
Sure.
edge of data science as well as the pharmaceutical business analytics.
Right.
And
Right.
biologics is something is growing, biopharma. So
Mm-hmm.
this course will help me to enhance and grow my skills further in this career.
Very good. Sure. So yeah, Rupali.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I am master's in microbiology and I have done my graduation honors in biotechnology. I have a working experience in research as well as in food industry as quality control analyst. I always wanted to shift my career to healthcare. So I was looking for some course which can actually help me out with this. So when I found this course, I found it quite interesting and the prospects of the course are also good for me. So that's why I tried my best, and then like after going through everything, I decided to go ahead with this course.
Very nice. Yeah, sure. Monica?
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Monica. I just completed my PhD in life sciences. I have a total of 7 years of research experience, starting from my MSc days. Um, I have a sound knowledge on big data analysis. So since I was involved in a lot of research work, I wanted to incorporate my PhD skills in the business arena. So I found this course very interesting, and I thought I would look forward in making this happen for me. That's why I've joined.
Sure. Great. Dimpy?
Yeah. Hello, everyone. So my name is Dimpy, and I've been into the pharma industry for now 4+ years. And for me too, it's this course I've mainly taken for a career jump into the field of data analytics, and I found this more interesting because it is related to the business side of the pharma sector. So yeah, that's from my side.
So great. Uh, so let me introduce myself. I'm Dinesh. I have around 14 years of experience in healthcare consulting and pharmaceutical consulting. By training, I am a pharmacist with uh, management degree in pharmaceutical management from Indian Institute of Health Management Research. So and I have been working last 13 years into this industry, and I have found, right, what are the gaps between the academia and this industry. And this industry is a life sciences consulting industry which has a huge gap of really good people, talented people. Uh, Companies like us, Deloitte, McKinsey, all hire from big colleges, right? But this is not part of the syllabus right there. So we have to train them for at least 3 to 4 months, right? So that can be on job. But this course, what this course will help you, right? It will help you to understand this industry, healthcare and pharmaceutical industry completely. And this course uh, will take you to the level that if you interact while uh, while any job opportunity, if you interact with the people, this will give you an edge to have a positive outcome from there. So this is a specially designed course, first time in India. You can see lots of like Udemy, uh, Upgrade, all have these types of courses like uh, but course in business analytics, but those courses are very general. They're not specialized for farmers in school industry. They are talking about Excel, R, Python, but they are not talking about any particular data set. Until and unless you don't know any data set, how you will apply your R, Python on that? So basic understanding of an industry, respect to domain perspective, how that industry looks like, what are the stakeholders of that industry, what is the data sets coming from there, and what are the outcomes uh, you are going to give from that data sets. So I have 7 to 8 modules in my course, which is sequential. My modules are sequential. One module to other module, other to other. All are related. Pharmaceutical consulting is not, or analytics is not about forecasting. It's not about Salesforce analytics. Everything combined when you help uh, a pharmaceutical client. So basically, in our industry, our clients are like pharmaceutical big pharma. Rashmi, can you mute? Actually, it's your request. Yeah. So I was saying that we have some big pharmaceutical companies our client, and they don't give projects like Salesforce forecasting. They have a business problem to solve. So what is the work of a consulting company is to solve the different business problems. So and I have been working in forecasting, competitive intelligence, a lot of things. And this module will give you the trainers which are really in industry for 10 to 12 years. Trainers will be from like companies like Equia, they will be from DRG, they will be from ZS. So we have a very good set of trainers, and I'll lead this activity as a chief trainer, you can say that, or a mentor. And let me share some slides once again. Vinayak, can you pass on me the rights? I need to share the PPT.
Yes, Dinesh sir, I'm doing it. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Dinesh sir, please confirm. I've done it.
Yeah, I can see. So I think everyone can see the screen, right?
Y- Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, great. So what we will do, we will go through the syllabus today and a little bit what this course comes with, and you can have questions to that. So regarding this program, uh, this is first of this program, like you will be having a certification. This is first and only course in India. And one of the major USP is that it is an industry relevant course. It is not a simple generic business analytics course. It's a pharmaceutical and healthcare industry relevant course. It is very simple and easy to understand, because I'll not be talking only on the PPTs. I'll be working live on the workshop with the live data, pharmaceutical data, which really has come from the client. So it will be blinded. No product name company will be there, but it will be same type of data which is given by the pharmaceutical industry. And then you will have all the materials live on the LMS for you. It will be 24-hour access, and then it will be more than 120 hours of rigorous training, workshop, case studies, different business problems. Me and you sitting uh, in the virtual room and solving the problems, so that you can uh, be enabled to solve these types of problems in different projects. So I'm not a trainer. I'm an enabler. I will enable you to get these concepts and get you through different opportunities what your aspirations are. So you are the people, you have to learn. I am there to enable you. So I'm not a trainer. So I myself I call enabler. So different modules which we'll be going through, like we'll be studying different healthcare system, because most of our clients are from the US and Europe. So we'll be studying different healthcare system, US and Europe. What are the regulatory scenarios are there? Some of the general topics. What types of really business problems client have, and what is their position across the value chain? And then we'll study competitive intelligence and market research, which is a very major chunk of business we get. Then we will be learning basic and advanced forecasting. We'll be learning intellectual property rights, will be doing market assessment. Market assessment is nothing else, uh, making a so you will, I'll come to the modules you will get. And then we will be studying pricing and reimbursement, that is called as health economic and outcome research, and data sets, which is a very important module. So here we'll be learning all types of data coming from the pharmaceutical healthcare industry, maybe claims data, maybe IMS sales data, promotional data, patient level data, epidemiology data, all types of data which exist into pharmaceutical industry, we will be learning. Then we will be learning again the advanced forecasting, and then we will be doing a module on the sales force analytics. And parallel to this, we will be working, we will be learning Python, Excel, Tableau, PowerPoint, and Excel. And these Python, Excel, and Tableau, or the R, will not be generalized. We will be working because these are the tools to do the analysis. So it has to be, it cannot be generic or generalized. It has to be any industry oriented. And like you all people have a pharmaceutical background, some don't have a degree, but you all have BSc, MSc, Pharm. So it's all related to domain. So so this course is a combination of domain plus technology. Without domain, you cannot. Uh, Without domain, uh, you cannot enable the technology, and without technology, domain is not. So this is the only module in India present which is a combination of both, plus for a particular industry, which is healthcare and pharmaceutical industry. So some topics in healthcare system, what will be learning, we will be looking for global healthcare system, global pharmaceutical market, what is the prescription drug market, pharmaceutical market by therapy area, deep dives on drivers and barriers, increase in control cost measure, increasing importance of China, oncology. Why we'll be looking oncology and rare diseases? Because it is the one of the major thing coming. Most of the big companies in oncology and immunology are giving us the work. So having a deep knowledge of oncology and immunology is very important. As then someone was saying about the biologics and biosimilar, we will be learning deep on that, because biosimilars are one of the major upcoming thing in US and Europe. Then gene therapy, then precision medicine like TCAR, and all these therapies will be learning. And then different pharmaceutical market by geographies. And then there will be module on global regulatory scenario, in which we'll be learning about the US, EU5, Japan, and the BRIC countries. Then some we'll be going through some major disease overview, oncology and rare disease, key drug groups like clinical trial overview, clinical trial and management, drug safety overview. Then a module on the business analytics across value chain. Here we'll be learning components of product value chain, uh, different stages of product life optimization, element of analytics across product value chain, market assessment, health economic and outcome research, real world evidence. All these things we will be learning. Then there will be 4 days module on competitive intelligence and market research, where we will learn how competitive intelligence help pharmaceutical companies to attain, to, yeah, reach their goals, right? To get on into strategies and drive their pharmaceutical business in terms of increasing the revenues or the prescriptions. We'll be going through all the available sources which are available publicly, or which are available, or we have to buy those data. So lots of things we'll be learning in competitive intelligence and market research. And then the huge thing, the forecasting, we'll be learning. We'll be going through introduction of fundamentals of forecasting, key forecasting principles, defining the market. So Vinayak can circulate this syllabus to you, and we will be going each and every topic uh, from the next week going forward. So whenever we come to this, I'll be going to deep these syllabus, because right now it will be very new for you. So just giving you the introduction, like trending the market, events and assumptions for the forecasting. Then IPR will be going through, because this is very important right now. A lot of litigations and are done by different pharmaceuticals on different pharmaceutical companies. So this is very important to go through. Market assessment, we will be going through business analytics overview, situation analysis, uh, market opportunity assessment, brand performance, data analysis we'll be going. Then we'll be going deep on health economic outcome research, systematic literature review, regulation and standard application for HUR, limitation of HUR studies, data sets of HUR. Under the data set module, we will be going through sales data like Equia, AVAX is an Indian data. We'll be going through units, value, TRX, NRX. Then we'll be going through promotional data, calculating different KPIs like share of voice, share of detail. We'll be going through lots of patient level data, APLD, other data set. So this is some of the unique thing this course have. None course in India have these data sets covered when we talk about the analytics. They just are giving you the gyan of general business analytics and saying that after learning R and Python and Tableau, you will be a data scientist. No, it should be a combination of domain plus data sets understanding, because until you understand the different dimensions and measures of a data sets, you can't do anything. It's very important to understand dimensions and measures of a data set. Then only you can see a picture what outcome you want from that data set, which can drive a farmer's strategy for a pharmaceutical company in terms of growing the business. Will be different definitions will be going for the epidemiology, like how to prioritize, derive, interpret and evaluate the data, how to validate the number using approach, epi approach. We'll be going through different sources like PubMed or Elsevier and see that how the epidemiology data is extracted and how that will be used uh, for doing any assessment or analytics. There will be huge workshop on the Excel. And again, I'm repeating same thing that again we'll not be giving you the gyan on the general Excel which is given on YouTube or which is given on the Udemy 875 rupees course. No, this Excel course even comes with the pharmaceutical data and doing different type of activities on and this Excel on the pharmaceutical data, huge pharmaceutical data we'll be working on. And then will be course on BI like Tableau, ClickSense, ETL, tools like Alteryx, Tableau, SQL we will be learning. So it will be around 6 days workshop with pharmaceutical data and different case studies. So these are the business questions we will be discussing. Like suppose this is a business question. An employee of the organization has gathered data from Equia with the epidemiology source. However, he has forgotten to label the integration. Can you help in validating the two data sets? So these are the activities we are doing in this healthcare pharmaceutical consulting, whether we are in Deloitte, whether we are in GS Associates, whether we are in DRG, Equia. So that is the thing. Different business questions and business problems we will be discussing, and it will not be theoretical or it will not be old case studies which has been published or what we have been learning to in marketing and MBAs. No, it will be a real business questions coming from the pharmaceutical industries in the latest 1 to 2 years. Then there will be assignments on Excel, and then there will be different MCQs you'll be showing. And so this is like one of the business question. Based on information provided, you calculate the net discounting rate. So these small things which is given in the interview or thing, you will be going through different business questions. And what will we become after this course? You will be working for companies like, so these are the companies which really works for healthcare consulting like Quintile, IMS, BCG. And I'll give you an example, right? I don't know you know the name of a company Eversana or not. So all the big consulting companies which is based out of US or Europe, Now they are coming to India. Already IMS has came, BCG is there, DRG is there. So in the next 10 years, different consulting companies which are based out US and Europe, they will be having their in-house uh, in India. Even lots of big pharmaceutical companies which don't partner with the vendor due to cost, they have their own analytics center in India. Like Novartis has own analytics center in Hyderabad with 3,000 people. Merck has his own. Merck has their own analytics center in Pune. GSK has their own analytics center in GSK. Oh, sorry, Gurgaon. So all the big pharmaceutical companies, if, either they will come themselves in India for having analytics center, or they will be partnering with life sciences consulting company in India, like Deloitte, McKinsey, Pharmace, different companies. So there is a huge future in this, and these the next to 10, 15 to 20 years, this is the industry which will drive the business of US pharmaceutical industry. Even when there is a downtime in globe with respect to pharmaceutical business, our industry, consulting industry, has increased, because this is the time they need help from us. And one more thing, you might have a question, right? Why only India? Why people of India we are helping big pharmaceutical companies in US? So it's not all about cost. They don't have a big talent pool in US and Europe. The talent pool we have in India, like M.Pharm, biotechnology graduates, microbiology graduates, R&D graduates, what the talent pool what we have in India, they don't have. So this is one of the reason they partner with us, or they come to India as an analytics business center, right? So once we start this program, so next week you will have start each and every module we will go through. So this is a typical hierarchy seen in our industry. You join of experience, like someone in analyst of R&D, they can join as a consultant, then analyst to consultant to engagement manager, delivery, fresh principal, analyst to so principal and senior principal see in the on the LinkedIn, ZS associates, acquisition. So these are the people having 20 years of experience of India, and takes in India is the film around 60 to 70 lakhs per annum. And the for analyst, the salary starts from 7 lakhs, and the consultant it goes to 10 lakh, engagement manager 13 to 14, and then maybe team lead or project manager 15 years of experience, 40-50 lakhs. So and it will increase gradually. This is the current figure which I'm showing you right now, but the way the industry is growing, you can keep a markup of around 20 to 30% on this. If someone is technology driven, he want to drive their career into technology domain, they can go through this hierarchy. So this is a typical career path: analyst, consultant, project manager. Account head means a person having different leading different accounts. And so this is one of the career path I've shown you. I have not one slide. The other career path is that if you don't want to grow in this hierarchy in India, we always have option in this industry to you work based out of US, and don't worry about this US visa news and all. It has been the same type last 10 to 15 years, but the people are going. So what happens in this case, once we pharmaceutical consulting companies finds you good with respect to your performance, they do your H1B visas, and you go and work there uh, on the client side and help them into consulting the consulting business, right? You'll sit beside the client and you'll work with them real, like analytics director of Bristol Myers Squibb or analytics director of Merck. You will sit beside them and you will work uh, with them, right? So today we went out and after you do this course, I'm there to help you completely. I'm your mentor, I'm your enabler, I'm your trainer. you will be having my WhatsApp number. Any doubt you have, any opportunity you have, I'll be working with you on your CV. I'll be having a mock interviews with you between this program, after this program, and I'm trying with different business consulting companies for the internship also, live projects. If you can get some live project and really worked on data. But even if you don't work on the live projects with the consulting companies, I'll be teaching you the live data and the business analytics on that front. So don't worry about. But we have last batch we have placed people in different pharmaceutical consulting companies and in interns, and we will do that same. And I will be helping with Kamal and the Clini Minds and our people to get you internship, and even whenever job opening comes, you will go there. And I'm saying that I'm not an influencer for a company. After the course, you will be influencer for yourself. I'm very sure that after this course, when you give interviews with your competitors to a company, uh, after this knowledge you will be on a different league, and you will yourself will be able to crack the interview and getting that job opportunity. So today I wanted to have a very small session. So there are some companies like you can write the name. I'll name Equia, IKVIA, Decision Resource Group, DRG. Third, you can write Axtria, AXTRIA. Fourth, you can write Pharma Ace. Fifth, you can write Phamax, PHAMAX. Six, you can write ZS Associate, ZS. I call it Z, so you can call it ZS Associate. Then you can write WNS. Then you can write Deloitte's Life Sciences Consulting, or McKinsey Life Sciences Consulting. So United Healthcare Gurgaon. So then you can have aspect ratio. So what I want you people to do for the week, if you get time, go to the website of these companies and see what type of work they do in their solutions. They do all same type of work what we are talking. So just have a gist and go to their career path, what type of openings do you have. So you will feel more comfortable that whatever syllabus I have told you today, it matches with you, because it's all about for me it's more important that you people feel comfortable more, so we can have one-to-one discussions when I'm going through the modules. So because I'm type of trainer, I don't like silent people, so I wanted one-to-one conversations, and it will be having, because we have these modules in the workshops more format. We don't have these modules uh, in like a simple Udemy, like someone speaking and you're listening. I don't like, I don't know, these types of learnings can even work. Someone speaking continuously and you listening and you'll learn, because I have not been come from that era, and I don't feel my comfortable. I have tried lots of time going to Udemy and trying some new courses, but I need someone I can see, I can believe that someone is there in front of me and talking to me, and so I get learn more. So this was the thing I wanted to talk. Any questions if you have, one by one I can take.
Uh, Hi, I'm Kalyan. I
Yes,
have a
Srinivas.
query.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, I'm into like different domains, and currently I have some 1.5 year experience into this pharma. I do the
Mm-hmm.
marketing research.
Mm-hmm.
So, what would be my prospect in this?
So if you so domain doesn't matter, because if you go and see companies like ZS Associate, Aspect Ratio, and Merck, people, even electric engineers are there. So it's all about learning ability, and you can always go through your if I see your career path, uh, you can go into more into forecasting, sales analytics, or reporting, analytics. So that three part which is from this industry you can go more, and it's not difficult to understand the data sets because this data is around patient, doctors, and the providers. So you can be a very good forecaster, or maybe a Salesforce analytic person, or technology domain combination. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi Dinesh,
And
this is
yeah.
Dimpy. My question is almost similar to Kalyan's. So
Mm-hmm.
I basically work in a lab, so it's a wet lab, so it's a hand-on work with
Right,
the
right,
uh, so like I want to make a change into this field now. I have an
right.
experience of 4.5 years now.
Sure,
So will
sure.
that experience count into this,
Yeah,
or it will be again like we'll be treated
no,
as a fresher into this
no.
industry?
See, by position you will be giving a position as a consultant, which
Right.
is couple of year level above from an analyst. But with
Mm-hmm.
respect to learning, you have to believe that you are a fresher. Your experience will
Okay.
count, but your position will be okay. But you have to believe that you are a fresher with respect to learning, and whatever you are doing in the lab, the
Mm-hmm.
knowledge you have, same thing, same is there also. Only thing is there, you have to read those things from a lab, from the internet, and put on the PPT or Excel. So your this
Okay.
experience is not going to be wasted. It's the same thing. The only
Right.
the way of thing is different. There you are doing things in the wet lab. Now you will be working on a computer and helping clients.
Yes. 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 Okay. Thanks.
So you can write my number, 974 22 59 205. Everyone has taken this?
Can you repeat it once more, please?
Yeah, sure. 974 22 59 205. So on this number, it will be great if all can send me your current profile. I'm not I don't call it as a CV. I always call this as a profile, a document. I can go through this, and uh, so that when I start the training, I have every details of you. And after I have, uh, I can think of for each and every one of you what will be the right set of things, because everything you have to focus. Actually, it's not nothing is standalone in consulting, because you have, if you are a like income tax consultant, you cannot say that I work for the form 16A. No, income tax consultant have to work on everything. So the same type of the a healthcare consultant, if you want to become a great consultant, you have to go through all these things, all the modules, and you have to be knowledge. So yeah, you can be a specialized consultant in something, but general consultant, you have to. So as a next step, send me your profiles, and we can connect one to one, and anytime we can discuss the career path and all. So from next week we'll be starting with US and Europe healthcare system. And with respect to timing and all, if you have any problem, you can always connect with Vipra, or the things with the and again, I'm saying this course is to fill the gap between academia and uh, or the people who want to make their career in this industry, and which is missing in the people. We are still, this industry is still struggling to get right people. uh, there's a huge potential in the next years for the opportunities, and also don't worry about that. It's a unique course. You will feel in a couple of weeks how unique this is. So let's connect on the WhatsApp, one to one. I get your CVs, I read those, I can customize the course with respect to things. So yeah, so here I would like to end. So if you all don't have any questions, we'll be connecting next week.
Hi Dinesh, this is Rashmi.
Mm-hmm.
Can you
Mm-hmm.
please give your number once more? Actually, I could not.
Yeah, Rashmi. So Actually, you were at time of some problem was there, so we can connect
Yes.
again on the WhatsApp. So it's like 974
Yes.
22
Yes.
59
Mm-hmm.
205.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much.
So today and Monday I'm little busy. So if anyone want talk to me, we can fix a time slot. We can do Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, 1 to 1. Let's get connected.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Thanks,
Okay.
Dinesh.
Thank you, guys. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dinesh.
Thank
Bye.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. Have a great learning. Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you.